can see, I got a PS2. Now I bought this on eBay again a long time ago though. This must be at least 2 years now, and it's just been sitting on my shelf ready to have a look at, and it's in fairly good condition externally anyway. It looks good. But I've also got, not that I'm being presumptuous here, and my favourite PS2 game, which I loved back in the day. Well, that and San Andreas, but this I loved. So hopefully we'll get to play that today. What else have I got? Memory card, ready. And I got this as well. Now this I bought on AliExpress. PS2 to HDMI. And a little, what is that? That's micro USB, isn't it? Okay, well I've got one of those somewhere. But I've also got this, which I bought for my original Xbox. That's another project for another day, which I'm halfway through. I just need to finish it really, but it's just in case I have a bit of issues with this. Who knows? But there you go. So put that to one side. And let's try some power, shall we? Now the listing, as I recall, said untested, because it was just as this. But if memory serves me correctly, because I did own one of these a long time ago, as well as the thin one, the slim one. Where's the power supply gone? If I remember rightly, it was just one of these. I don't think it was anything else, and obviously the back shows you just that AC in. So I'm hoping I can get away with just any one of these. Can I read that? Excuse me. 2.5 amps, 250 volts. Yeah, so I'm going to have to be very careful here, aren't I? But let's make sure that works first. Voltage, AC. Are we off? Yeah, we're off. Flip switch. Yep, 245 volts, well, near enough. And that's back off again. Okay. I think someone's been in this before, because this looks like it should have been all the way over here. I don't know what that is, but it looks like a screw might be missing. There's a lot of dust in there. Okay. So, and we've got this power button on the back here to switch to 1. Here we go. Nothing. We know that power supply is alright. Well, power supply. We know this is okay. Is it in enough? Yeah, that's well and truly in. Well, they did say untested. There we go. Unplug that then. Now I'm going to have to be careful, because obviously, regardless if this doesn't power on, I've just given it 245 volts. Expansion bay. Oops. Well, nothing in there but a lot of dust. I'm just going to leave that off. Right, so that looks like was possibly a screw there. Hopefully there's nothing under. No, it doesn't feel like it. That's the fit. Oh yeah, that's right, because you could stand it up like that, couldn't you? And if I remember rightly, it was a nice little touch with the PS logo. That could turn, yeah, there we go, so it could turn sideways. Nice. Okay. So how do we open this? Oh, hello. So we've got a foot here, rubber foot here. Yep, rubber foot. And 2 missing. I would say that's definitely been opened before. Let's see if I can get these off. Yeah, there we go. Oof. Right, so we've got quite chunky Phillips. Wonderful. Alright, too big, too small. That side. Now what do we have? Okay, it's coming up. What's going on? Is it the bottom that comes out, or is the top slide off? You see, that wants to come up. Maybe there's a clip in here somewhere. Open Sesame isn't doing very well. Oh, I'm sure I had a clip there. Okay, what am I doing wrong? See, that's got some play in it there. That is just solid. But this side's coming off where the screw was. That side isn't. You see, these are not feet though, so let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh. Okay. That threw me because I was expecting that to be nothing. Yeah, because that's rubber and that's solid plastic. Okay, my mistake. Oh, hello. It's all happening. Aha. Ooh, this is dusty. And then what's that for? That's the power button, isn't it? I wonder if that's not actually making a connection. That's not going to be easy to take off by the looks of it. Oh, you don't see any screws. Or does it just unclip? Oops. Oh, it just lifts up. There we go. Wow, look at the dust bunnies. Yuck. Be very careful here because this is very fragile. I'm not going to be able to get my multimeter in there, that's for sure. And that doesn't look like it flips up. At least I don't think it does. It looks fairly decent, doesn't look broken anywhere. Let's take a photo of that and zoom in. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, let's just leave that there for now. Memory card ports. Well, I'm going to give this a bit clean because it's dusty as hell in there. I will take that off as well later. Right, so obviously this is the CD drive, which has a lot of movement going on. Okay, let's just have a little look in here, shall we? Right, that's too big. The whole thing up, but let's just have a look what that does reveal. Have I missed one? 2, 3, 4. Oh, there we go. Aha! Yeah, that's looking... Well, that looks clean, but the rest of it certainly doesn't. There's a lot of dust on that. Yuck. Okay, maybe I should have left that on top, but I need to clean that anyway, so... Right, I'm not going to be able to get to that because this is stopping that from coming up. And there's a screw there and a screw there. Now I've got to be careful now because obviously this, regardless if it didn't come on or not, I'm very, very careful because there was a lot of volts going through it. And that is obviously the power supply going down under this, by the looks of it. I'll tell you what, let's see what this takes off. Okay, that's completely different. Let's put that in a different one. What's holding you? Ah, a ribbon cable. Ooh. Be very careful here. Hopefully this unclips. Can I turn that over? Yes, I can. Is it dirty? Yes, it is. Try not to break it. Please don't break it. Yep. So it's just a lifty, uppy thing. There we go. Right, well I'm going to have to clean that as well, but for now, let's just put that to one side. Did I unscrew that there? Oh no, that must be the top chassis screw, mustn't it? No, what I mean is the... Yeah, so that lines up with that hole. Right, okay. That's not missing something, that's a chassis screw. Oh, damn it. Oof. Oh no, that's interesting because that looks like that should... Okay, so we've got a screw missing there. Same size as the front ones? Yeah. This is where I'm going to get a bit nervous because we're getting near the power. Okay, good stuff. Right, now does that come up? Yeah. It's got to be connected somehow. I don't want to pull that too much. Right, I'm just going to hold that there. Oops. Oh. Huh. Uh-huh. Oh, okay, good. Ugh. And you're being held on. Yep, look at the dust in there. Whoa. Right, I'm just going to leave that there for now. Does this now come up? No. It's just these clips. It's got to be just clips, isn't it? What about this side? Oh, blimey. Okay, the whole thing's coming away now. Right, be careful where I put my fingers. And there's the bottom of it. Yuck. Gross. Right, now what? Aha. Oh, hang on. Did I just hear a screw? I think I did. Yeah, there's a screw in here. Somewhere. Or is that something I dropped in there? Ah, there's only 3 of those. Yeah, I think I might have clumsy. Well, I'm definitely going to have to take it apart now. Oh, there it is. No, there it is. There's the 4th one. So I wonder what's inside. Can I get that off? That is solid on there. Okay, let's flip it over and see if we can see any way in. Being very careful. Very careful. I imagine there's going to be, well, obviously there's going to be a capacitor on the other side of that. So somewhere here there might be a lot of voltage. Right. Yeah, I'm nervous. Right there, that's the smallest gold ones I've seen, so that can go there. I like the way Sony put these arrows. I mean, I know it's supposed to be obvious, but yeah, it's a nice little touch. Nope. Keep knocking my camera wire. Let's try and move this out of the way a bit. There we go. There we go. Right. Oh, hello. Yeah, it's coming up. Oh, it's really dusty in there. Wow, look at the size of that capacitor. Oh, so we've got 3 here. They look slightly discoloured, but they don't look bulgy or anything. And then we've got this, if you can see, oh it has come away completely good. That massive, hang on, let me just rotate this without killing myself. Massive capacitor there, which is these 2 big soldered blobs. Let's carefully move that out of the way. Oh, I can actually disconnect that. Cool. Okay, let's see if we've got any voltage in there, shall we? Yeah, scared. Nothing. A little bit. I don't think 0.4 volts could kill you, could it? I don't know. Right. Oh my, that's really dusty. Okay, that's better. Now I'm just having a closer look, see if I can see anything that looks dodge. No, don't look like it. That big capacitor's definitely straight, isn't it? There's no bulging going on there. Yeah, but we do have a fuse. I'm still not well, as you can probably hear. Oh, I've got this dust right up my nose. No, hang on, what's going on? I need to get a drink. I've got a tissue as well because I'm sneezing. I'm going to be sneezing now. Take an antihistamine in a minute, I think. Right. Okay. Unless I'm very much mistaken, that's not doing anything. Oh, God. Sorry, excuse me. see anything on that. I just took some antihistamines because my eyes are going and my nose is going crazy. Over there. Well, I did have to wait in the end, unfortunately, for these to arrive, because no matter how much I looked at my house, I couldn't find anything. But anyway, this came quite quickly from Amazon. I could have gotten dirt cheap on AliExpress, but it would have taken weeks. So this is what I needed, and thanks to Reddit, God, I love Reddit. Thanks to Reddit, it's a 2.5A 250 volt, which is one of those. So that's fantastic. So let's just pop this in here, and we can. Sorry, excuse me, my phone again. Back in a minute. Have a look at the other stuff. Oh my goodness. I wonder if I can get this together and see if that's going to work or not, because I don't really want to. Did I take that off? No, because this is the underneath, isn't it? Yeah, so this is the underneath. That's where those two big screws go. I hope. Okay, let's just take that off again. I wonder how far I can go down with this. Yes. Excellent. Right. Let's leave it open like that. Oh, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. How sad am I? I'm just looking for some grease, if you can hear me fumbling around over here. Oh, no, actually it's over here, isn't it? Yes. Gotcha. Oh, it's fantastic. Just give that a clean out. The power's not on, by the way, it's off at the plug. Although I'm still going to remove that baby. Just want to try and get some of that out. The mechanism seemed to work quite smoothly, didn't it? But I'm still going to give it some grease. And then I'm going to go away and clean all the plastics stuff. And change my gloves. My favourite kitchen towel is a very sad sentence. Right, what was I going to do? It's probably a bit too much IPA. Just to give the lens a little bit of a clean. Oh, it did have some dirt on it. There we go. Right, I'll be back once I've cleaned all the plastics, because this is gross. Well, that's all the plastic cleaned. I didn't film it, it was just hot soapy water in the kitchen. But I've just, hang on a second. I've just want to try this again while it's open, because I want to make sure none of this grease goes anywhere it shouldn't. Little red light. There you go. And open. I guess that only rotates when you've got a CD in there. I'm not sure if this is going to let me do this because there's no bit on top, but let's have a look. No, yeah, because that needs the top bit, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, well, let's give up with that before we damage something. Yeah, because that moves up and down when it's reading. too much on there, so hopefully we'll be okay. Kill the power. No, that's silly. Power on. Power off. Kill the power. Back again. I'm trying to remember where this went. I think this was the piece that protected the board underneath. So let's put that back on. Or did it? I can't remember. I might have to watch it back. No. Under there somewhere. Oh, it was. Yeah, it was. Okay. Again, mistakes. Be very careful, haven't I, because the power's been on and it's definitely been through the board. Does that look right? I'm going to have to watch it back because I can't remember. It was at this point where I was putting it back together. It took me a shocking 6 times. So I'm going to save you the pain of that and speed a lot of this footage up now towards the end. But one thing I've been thinking about, and there's a lot to be said for hindsight, why did the fuse go? I mean, it could have been a bad fuse that person put in the first place when they were trying to repair it previously. Who knows? But the thing is, I should have used my thermal camera just in case something is getting hot. And if that's the case, what is it that's causing it to go hot? But then again, I've got another 4 fuses to try again. But yeah, we'll see. Anyway, back to the video. Yeah. The original Sony composite wires. The red one. Red, yellow, white. Oh, this is getting messy, isn't it? Anyway, let's move that back to there. Power. Signal. Oh, excellent. Plugging in the controller. Let's kill the light. No memory card. Oh, memory card. Oops. No, the controller's not working. Oh, so close. Just wait. Well, looks like I haven't connected the controller port thing properly, because that ain't working. Well, I've just got back from the pub and it's 7:30. Actually, I didn't even need to tell you the time, did I really? That's a bit sad. Yeah, just back from the pub with my mate Neil. Anyway, shout out to Neil because he loaned me this. And I'm hoping the problem is with this rather than this. Because I do not want to open this up again today. Let's see if we can end this video. Oh, I hope so. Right. Let's move the camera. Sorry, I know it's not a very good angle, but here we go. Reading the disc. Okay, we have had that before. I'm just messing around with the camera, sorry. Okay, here we go. Yes! Cheers, Neil.
This is Hammerhead 6-2, TOC advises streets barricaded to the north. We are circling around you to find an alternate route, over.
Copy that, 6-2. Hammerhead 6-2, this is 2-5, we're pinned down. I have multiple casualties. Request priority medevac on my location. Noise dead!
So, what did I ask you to do that copy?
Oops.
Disassembly to reinforce. Going on their position and don't attack.
And there you go. So, I'm going to end the video there. Thank you very much for watching, and the next video is probably going to be how to fix this and to look at why that's juddering when it ejects, because it was nice and smooth when this wasn't on it. Anyway, thank you very much.